Well, how's it going, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I'm back out here in the garage today, and I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the interior out of this thing. I got headliner bows to pull out, door cards to pull off the doors, a couple little pieces on the back corner here, the rear deck area where the speakers and everything would go, or in this case, it looked like a defroster back in the day. And just finish getting all of this out of here so I can have a clean slate in there, get everything cleaned back up. And then I need to get back on welding the floor pan, get it rest away tied in with the back seat area. So let's get started. So the first thing is I need to get the seat back out, get it put in an area that's not going to get damaged. I already figured out how I'm going to make my brackets and everything, so I just need to get those cut out. But for now, this is coming out, getting out of the way. I'm gonna get the shifter back out of here. Like I said, get me a clean slate. Start pulling these bows out. I'm gonna number each one of them because they are a different size and a different shape from front to back. Get all the side clamps out. Get the visors out because these are not any good. And I've got a new set put away. So let me get this seat out. Hope to God I don't trip over myself. So now I got the seat and everything out of the way. I'm gonna take this door card off. These are a pain in the butt. I thought I had the door tool for it. I don't know where it's at. So I was able to use one of these to get on one part of the clip, push it out. And then sometimes you can use the rag method, get in behind there and let it catch onto the clip and pop it out. These set in a little differently, so I didn't want to do that. But got them out. Let's get these off. Now, as far as the handles go and the window crank handle, I have replacement ones for these. So these can go bye-bye. And the game plan is going to be get these off, clean the regulators out. I got to get all the old door seals out for the window. They do make replacement ones. I found the ones for the top and the front side, but I'm having a hard time finding one back here. And I've already did the Studebaker International and stuff like that, or Stevens. But bloop in the comments below if maybe you know where I can get some of these. If not, I'm going to try to use a universal one with a slit in it all the way around. That'll do just as good, but I'd rather do OEM if possible. If not, we'll just have to go that route. Now, as far as the door cards go, I can get replacement ones through Studebaker International, and I might, and there's still some aftermarket stuff that can get just the door cards. And but I think we're going to do our own door cards and put our own finish on it, so we'll see how that goes. So most of this is hanging here. So this thing's going to probably come out in several pieces. So let's see if I can get in there. Pop these out. It looks like all of them. Let's see what we got going here. That one's loose. wasn't too bad. This window is kind of hard going up and down. It will come down. So what we're going to do, I've already put 1 round of lubricant on it. Trying to get all this broke loose. Because she's been sitting for a while. Now, on the way up, you hear that. This is why these need to get replaced, because they're just wore out. So once we get the new seals in for the window, new guides, it'll work like it should. But at least that's a lot better than what it was, because it was really hard to go up and down. And yeah, let's get to the other side. This one I might have to take out. Go ahead and squirt some lubricant on it. This one's in real bad shape. So we'll see how it goes. There, that goes all the way up. So just a little bit working back and forth with it. There, I got the regulators sprayed down really good. Hopefully this will take care of it. If not, I'm going to take the regulators out, cleaning, possibly rebuilding. Hopefully I can get the parts for them. But we'll see how it goes. At least they're going up and down now. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the bows out for the headliner. Like I said before, each one's a little different going through the car. I don't know exactly when we're going to get to putting a headliner back in it. It might be down the road after it's running. But I'm going to mark every one of the bows. One through whatever. One would be the front of the car. So that way there, when we do have time to go ahead and decide to do that, I know where they go back at. So let me get these marked and we'll take them down. Now that I got all the bows marked, there's 6 of them all together. So now I can take them out, put them away for now, and when we get ready to put a headliner back in it, we know where they go. I got them all out. All I do now is just tape them up, set them off to the side somewhere. So now I'm going to take the old visors off. the old side pieces off. This is part of where the vinyl wraps around. Over in here, I gotta take that one off. Same on the back side. Get the trim pieces out. Get the cards off the back of it. And that would be about it, except for cleaning everything back up. And of course, take the rest of that off. Now I just hope it's not too corroded. So let's get these out of here. Yeah, looks like another tip there. Let's go ahead and get this off because it looks like this comes into there. There we go. So this piece I can recondition, resand, repaint. The screws, on the other hand, I'm going to replace them with new. All right, now let's get the other side. Let's get some more of this trim pieces out. Now in the back door area, part of the window seal sits in between these. So once these come off, these are exposed. So hopefully I can get the right ones and get it back in good shape. Gonna be a lot of phone calls, a lot of internet. But that's part of it. Do your research. I mean, anything, aftermarket world, eBay. And sometimes people even still use Craigslist. I've tried the Facebook Marketplace, and there's a lot of scammers out there on that. Now let's see what we got going on here. part of the old door card. So we want to save that. That came off easier than I thought. I got a little bit more rust here from where the window was leaking at down through here, but that's something we'd be able to take care of, no problem. So let me hop over here to the other side, get the back corner done, and then get this last piece of what's left of the material out. And then we gotta clean all this up. Now we're going to take all this out. Hopefully I can try to get it out in one piece, use it as a template. Ooh, that was fun. Now I got that little stench of old car peeling again. So, got everything pulled out. Was not able to save the deck piece in the back. I mean, it just crumbled. So there was a speaker in the back, but all right, got 99% of it out. Now I just got to clean it all out, put the screws away, put all the clips away, clean it, vacuum it, wipe it down. So tomorrow I can get started on finish welding the floor pan to the rear seat area. I got to make a piece to go through the back, kind of blend it in together. So I'll get started on that tomorrow. But for now, guys, I'm going to clean all this mess up, call it a day. Other than that, y'all have a good one, a safe one, and also remember, you know, a little bit at a time, you can get stuff done. Even if it's an hour or so a day, don't give up on your projects. And if there's something you're not sure about doing, ask somebody who does. And because we don't know everything. And other than that, we'll see you down the road.